I am Michael Faraday, born on the 22nd of September 1791 into a modest family in Newington Butts, a village that is now part of London. My father, a blacksmith, struggled to support our family, and my childhood was marked by poverty. Yet it was in this simplicity that my scientific dreams took root. I received only a rudimentary education. At an early age, I had to work to support my family. At 14, I was apprenticed to a bookbinder and bookseller, George Rebow. It was a blessing in disguise, for the shop was full of books. I immersed myself in them, discovering worlds I had never imagined. Scientific works, especially Jane Marset's Encyclopedia of Chemistry, awakened in me an insatiable curiosity. At the age of 20, I attended a series of lectures given by Sir Humphry Davy at the Royal Institution. Fascinated, I dared to send him a book of notes I had taken during his lectures. This bold move earned me a position as an assistant in his laboratory in 1813. I still remember my amazement when I began to manipulate chemicals and experimental apparatus under the direction of this brilliant man. My work in the laboratory led to discoveries that would change the world. In 1821, I demonstrated electromagnetic rotation, a principle that would become the basis of modern electric motors. Then, in 1831, I performed one of my most famous experiments. I discovered electromagnetic induction. By moving a magnet in a coil of wire, I produced an electric current. It was a breakthrough that laid the foundation for the production of electricity. But my life was not only devoted to science. In 1821 I married Sarah Barnard, a gentle and understanding woman who was my rock throughout my career. Although we had no children, our union was a source of happiness and stability in a changing world. I must also acknowledge that my religious beliefs played a central role in my life. As a member of the Sandemanians, a small Christian community, my faith brought me a deep humility. I saw science as a means of understanding the wonders of God's creation. In my later years my health declined, partly due to exposure to chemicals in my experiments. Yet I continued to work as long as I could. In recognition of my contributions, Queen Victoria presented me with a house at Hampton Court in 1858. I spent my last years there in quiet and reflection. I died on August 25, 1867, but I leave behind a scientific legacy that I hope will continue to inspire future generations. My discoveries in electricity and magnetism laid the foundations for modern technologies that, in my time, were only a distant dream. I am Michael Faraday, a man of little education but great curiosity. My life has been devoted to exploring the mysteries of nature, and I am proud to have contributed, in my own way, to shedding a little more light on the world.